Hello and welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a FIFA mobile account using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded the FIFA mobile application on your mobile devices. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile into the search box. Download this application that says FIFA Football and then tap on the open button to open the app.
EA Sports, it's in the game.
It'll then start downloading necessary data for the app. Now, on the next page, you'll need to select an account or link one of your Facebook account, Game Center, or sign in from the display. Select one of the login methods you'd like to play with. In my case, I'm gonna select the sign in with Apple option at the bottom and then tap continue to log into my account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up or create a new account. Simply tap on the screen to go through the tutorial and it'll show you how you can easily play the game. Simply go ahead and do as it says and select the option it locates and you'll be able to learn how you can play the game. Go through the quick tutorial and you should be able to complete the tutorial in no time. After you receive an objective, you can earn XP points and you'll be guided on further tutorials like how to pass, how to dribble, how to sprint, and much more. After you finish all of your training, claim your rewards and it'll take you to a new page where you'll need to enter your username. Remember that you'll only be able to change your username once, so make sure that you make a wise choice when it comes to creating your username. After you are done, tap continue. And that is how you'll be able to create a FIFA mobile account with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.